Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Planet Fitness account, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Planet Fitness account, first, gather your membership details. Make sure you have your membership card or account number handy. Visit the official Planet Fitness website or open the mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to the account or membership section. Look for the option to manage your membership. Select the Cancel Membership option. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision. If you prefer to cancel in person, locate your nearest Planet Fitness gym. Bring your membership card and a valid ID with you. Speak with a staff member at the front desk. Request to cancel your membership and provide any required information. Ask for written confirmation of your cancellation for your records. If you prefer phone cancellation, call the customer service number listed on the website. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. Request cancellation during the call and ask for confirmation via email. Check for any final charges or fees associated with your cancellation. Confirm that your membership status has officially changed. If you have a contract, review the terms regarding cancellation. Make sure to monitor your bank statements for any additional charges. Keep any correspondence related to your cancellation for future reference. That's how to successfully cancel your Planet Fitness account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.